Hi everyone, it's Soraya. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. After all the hard work I'd done on this painting, I was very hesitant to cover it all up and start all over again, but I felt it needed it for the depth that I wanted in the painting. So once I had a good base and I've added 2 or 3 different colors, I went back in with my sponge and started putting in kind of the waves and emotions of the ocean. Once I've done one side, I balance it out on the other side with similar but not the same kind of patterns. This is a 36 by 48 inch canvas, and so the brush that I'm using is almost 3 inches, maybe 2.5 inches. It covers a good area. That, along with my sponges and some smaller brushes, really help to bring the painting together. Now I know this video is very short. In reality, this painting took me many hours. It was after over a couple of days and full days as well. It was very hard work, but it was a labor of love, as they say. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and give the video a thumbs up and click on the bell icon just to receive all notifications. YouTube will send out a notification to you that says I have a new video. And right now there's a new button called Hype. It doesn't cost you a thing. If you click on that, it just helps my video get recognized by YouTube, so it could send it out to more people out on YouTube who would be interested in my artwork. So I thank you for all of that. With all the blues and teals and purples this painting has, I decided it needed a little bit of warming up by adding a little bit of pinks and reds and a little bit of orange and yellows as well. So I distributed that throughout the painting. I'd love to hear from you. Leave me a comment with the thoughts on this painting. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Did you like the original? Let me know.